So you need an apple, bananas, fat-free yogurt, spinach or frozen berries, a spoon and knife, and of course a blender. I'm using the Quest all-purpose blender, by the way. Here I'm just chopping up my bananas. I like to do this because it's easy for the blender. Then I chop up my apples as well, and I just put everything into a blender. Next up, I put my frozen berries, and then I shake it together. Now I shake it just because it's easier. After a while, I'll chop up my spinach. I do this just because I don't like too many bits of it in my blender, and I find that when I chop it this way it's easier. So once that's done, I put everything in the blender. Then I also add my fat-free yogurt. I use about 6 tablespoons. You can put more or less if you want. This is just my own preference. Make sure you cover the lid tightly and then you blend away. It's cold, so this is very easy to serve. You can just serve right away like I like to do, or if you're bougie, you can pour it into a glass cup, and it's very yummy and healthy.